Hi guys, welcome back to another episode. So I don't know if I've actually told you guys, but later in the year I'm actually going to be doing something a wee bit different that doesn't involve Dobby. Shh. For the very first time I'm going to do the West Highland Way, and I'm going to be doing it in October with my brother-in-law Scott and his dad. So Scott, you can't back out now. And I'm going to be raw dogging it with tents and stuff like that. There might be the few odd nights where I stay in a hotel or a hostel or a B&B, but for the most part I'm going to be raw dogging it wild camping. And of course I'm going to film it for you guys. So for me to do that I'm going to need some power. And if you remember in this video here, Bluetti sponsored me with the hands-free one backpack with the power station. So I'm trying to think of a way to incorporate that. Now I do have solar panels, but they're all like big massive things. So try to carry them walking 20 miles a day isn't ideal. However, thanks to today's sponsor, I think we've cracked it. So I'm probably going to butcher the name, but Mhpowos reached out and asked if I'd like to review their 40 watt portable solar panel. Look at the size of that. So let's dig into it. So on the outside, it actually feels like a kind of a denim kind of material. It's got two eyelets there, which I'll get into. And on the back, you've got a wee carry case for all your accessories that it brings with it. So in the case, we get a USB-C cable, and it also includes a USB-C to lightning cable, just in case you've got an older iPhone. That's pretty cool. You get your manual, you've got two carabiners, so again I'm going to get to them. You also get this cable as well, and this is a pretty decent cable. This one cable, as you can see with this wee connector here, connects into this wee box here. But what's so special about this cable, look at all the different connections you've got. Got your XT60, which is more popular. You've got an Anderson cable. You've got the ones there. Again, I can't remember the names of them. But whatever you're plugging this solar panel into, this cable has got you covered for a lot of it. So let's talk a wee bit about this. So what's pretty cool about this solar panel, you don't actually need to use this cable with it. So if you were only wanting to charge your phone with this, all you would need is a USB cable or a USB-C, and this would charge it straight from there. And the fact that this is very light, this is pretty much all you need if you're going off grid, just to charge your phone and stay in contact with people. So let's get it open. It's a 4-panel solar panel. The way that I'm going to be using this is I want it to be hanging off my backpack, and that is where these come into play. If you can see the wee eyelets there, these basically go through here. So whether you're putting this on a backpack or suspending it from a tree or whatever, you can basically hang it like that. There isn't any kickstand or anything like that, but it's actually small enough that you could just have it sitting like that. So let's crack the bag out and let's see this in action and how it's going to look on the bag. And what's good about Bluetti is they've actually thought about this, that people are going to put solar panels on the back of it, obviously to charge it on the go. So they've got these wee loops that you can put the carabiners in. It is so thin, you're not even going to feel that on your back. So the only thing is, if I want to close it, that's not really ideal. So what I can do is just take the carabiners off and then just reverse them, and then the solar panel can just sit on the backpack like that. And what I'm going to do now is I'm going to show you that you can actually charge your phone with this solar panel, and you don't actually need to use the big cable. You can just go directly into the solar panel from your phone. The only downside is we can't see how much charge we're getting, how many watts, etc. But again, just plug it in and go, and then just check it now and again just to see how much charge you're getting. So here I am getting out the hands-free one just to test it with the solar panel and see what kind of range we're getting on a good sunny day. And it's literally this easy, just plug and play. And remember, when this power station's in the backpack, this cable's going to be coming out the side of it, so there's no need to take the power station out of the backpack. And so already we're up at 28 watts of power. That's pretty decent. So now I'm going to lay it flat just to see if we get any better reading. And now I'm going to lift it up on its side just to see what we get. So there you go, we're getting up to 35 watts. So we're 5 watts short of what we should be getting for the full 40. So what do I think about this solar panel? It's compact, it's foldable, and it's light. I like the fact that you've got this wee storage bag for the cables, or if you're only needing it just to charge your phone, you can put your phone in here as well. The fact that it's got this universal cable is a win as well. I've never seen a cable with that supplied with a product, just to make sure that their product's compatible with a wider range of products to use with it. The wattage is only 40 watts, but for me with this packaged with the Bluetti hands-free backpack, like I'll be walking 20 miles, you know, a day, so this is going to be on my back and just charging the devices as I go. So guys, if you want to go and pick this up, I'll leave a link to it in the description, and there's a wee cheeky 10% off as well if you use this promo code GIFT. So if you're going to be doing a lot of hiking, or even if you're off-grid with your camper and you don't want to take a big bulky solar panel, and you're not going to be charging a lot of big things, maybe just your phone and your tablet, this has got you covered. So guys, if you did go and enjoy the episode, why not drop it a wee like and let me know in the comments, and if you haven't already, why not consider subscribing and hitting that bell notification so you're always notified when I drop a new video. So until the next one guys, peace.